If you're gonna do something with this car, this is the time to do it.
Damn, pickup tube is
100%. This valve right here, this valve seal right here is no good. See? The story comes out.
Yeah, this one's no good right here.
The first one?
First one.
So that's number 2. If you take this motor and you put it back in, and you didn't fix it, then that's a waste of time.
Look at that. That's where that metal's coming from, inside the oil. Scratched. Yeah. Probably.
So you're gonna think about it?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're gonna do something with this car, this is the time to do it.
Damn, pickup tube is
100%. This valve right here, this valve seal right here is no good. See? The story comes out.
well, I mean,
Look on the other side.
yeah, this one's no good right here.
The first one?
First one.
So that's number 2. Number 2 and number 3 is no good. The exhaust valve is no good.
Whew.
Soup's coming out.
I mean, we knew that there were issues with it.
But this is my thing, and I'm not trying to. If you're gonna keep the car, you want to do something with the car.
Now would be the time to do it. Yeah.
There's no way around that. Like, if you take this motor and you put it back in, and you didn't fix it, then that's a waste of time. Yeah, number 2 is no good. And that's only this side.
Intake valves.
You can't see the intake valve, those are exhaust.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh yeah.
All right, so what we have to do is take off our crank to see if the bearings are good. If not, then we'll have to try and replace them, which really isn't too expensive. Amazon can have them here by tomorrow. Just hope that the crank is good. So we're gonna get right into it. Day 2.
Go across it.
Yeah, it's rigid. Yeah.
So there's 2 things you can do, right? To make it easy, right? You can get a crank for this motor with the bearings and everything, then you ain't got to do nothing. But because the bearings spun, hold on.
Here's the bearing right here. Bad shape. Look at that. That's where that metal's coming from, inside the oil. Scratched. Yeah. And then this one is even worse. Look at that. Yeah, it's in terrible shape.
Good to worse it to worse it.
I knew that it was going to be bad. I thought it was just going to be the bearings, though.
So to take the pistons out, you got to take the heads off. And since the heads have a problem. Oh, did you speak to your dad about it so you know what you're doing?
No, I'm about to go do that now.
Now you don't have a choice. I mean, because there's already been work done on the car, I would keep the work. You don't have to change the piston, you know, like let's say it's oversized, right?
Yeah.
You don't have to change the piston itself, but you do have to change the rod. So you need rod and a crank.
So this job has just evolved because we had to take the engine out. And not only did we have to take the engine out, but gotta change the crank. We got all this stuff going on.
Hey, you know, I don't know what's up with these Toyotas. Like when you started to make that funny noise, you heard that knocking noise you're making? The Prius is making that noise.
I don't know why.
You heard it before?
Yeah. And another Camry. Go ahead and put that. Right back here. Got the harmonic balancer coming off. Alright. Look at that. Isn't she a beauty? This must have been a tight side because these weren't even tight. It's the side that's hard to get to. I'm dirty.
Sorry, scared me.
Hey, girlfriend. Basketball. Let's take a look inside here. Yeah, a whole lot of debris in there. There's that screw right there. For the cam. Oh yeah, whole lot of junk in here. One side seems to be cleaner than the other. Like this side is pretty damn clean. That side over there